Okay, let's get started. I actually washed and deep conditioned my hair. I sectioned it off, I applied my leave-in, and I'm getting ready to apply the Roots of Nature mango oil and Cupuacu butter. It's a butter whipped cream. It claims to deeply nourish and define your kinky coils. The consistency of the product is very thick and creamy. It's almost like a deep conditioner. I also decided to test the product to make sure that it was pH balanced, and as you can tell from the script, it is pH balanced, so this makes this product an excellent product for myself because it is pH balanced. And if you do not know what I'm talking about as far as pH balanced product, please click the right side link. The smell of the product is absolutely to die for. It has a lemon lime type of scent, and it's a scent that sticks with you throughout the day. So according to the directions, it says finger rake through each section with a generous amount until the hair is fully saturated. In my case, I didn't apply a generous amount because my hair, I have fine texture hair and I didn't want to weigh down my hair, so I just applied just a little amount for what I thought was enough for my hair. So I'm going to continue. I'm going to start twisting. I'm getting ready to twist. Amazing how much shrinkage you get. So this product, as I noticed that as I was applying it, I noticed that this is a product that maybe can be used for a wash and go. As you can see that I got some type of little nice little coils from a dim mint brush. I smoothed it through and I noticed that my coils were popping. So this product probably can be used for a wash and go as well. So I made it to the top part of my hair, and so far so good. The product, I'm smelling it. It smells excellent. It's smooth. I'm getting ready to do a quick lift check. So I'm twisting. the length check is coming up real soon. Actually, this is where I do my quick length check. I never really measure in that area. I just felt the need to see where my hair was at. And I'm twisting again. I'm not even sure if I applied the product because I was so overwhelmed with trying to get to the top part of my hair where my bangs is at, because that's where I usually do my length check. So here's another length check. As you can see, I'm smiling, I'm happy. I love to check the bangs part of my hair. That's where I can tell if it's growing or not. So apply a little product. Scared to do the length check, but I'm going to do it. I'm planning my hair. There you go. Not too sure what to do, because, you know, ladies, as you put a twist, that twist don't need to go right there in the front part of my hair. I'm undecided what to do, so I'm just gonna twist it and just leave it right there in front of the middle, right in front of my hair, in my front of my head. I'm sorry, excuse me. So there you have it. I applied the product to my head, and the product was really, it gave it a nice shine. I was very pleased with the shine, and the hold was excellent. I decided to keep my 2-strand twist in my hair for about 3 days. That was not my intentions. My intentions was to do a twist out the next day. But because the hold was excellent and the shine was to die for, I just could not, I just rocked my 2-strand twist for 3 days before I decided to do a twist out. I was very happy with just the 2-strand twist. So as you can see, I'm getting my shake on. So it's 3 days later, okay, and I'm deciding to take the twist down. I have some major shrinkage going on, but I can tell you from this product, I did not have to apply anything to my hair. It stayed hydrated, it was conditioned. I did not have to apply any type of oils to it. It was very shiny, and as you can tell, as I taken down my twist, I still have some definition, and I'm going to try to manage to pull off a style, ladies. As you guys know, I'm not a stylist, but I'm going to try to style these 2-strand twists the best way I can. And I must say that I did get a lot of compliment with my 2-strand twists when I was out and about. Got a lot of compliments, and I was just really pleased with the hold. So now, at this point, I'm thinking to myself, what am I going to do with my hair? As you can see, defined. 3 days later, still hydrated, well conditioned. Still finding twists to take down. I am thinking to myself, what am I going to do with my hair now? Lord, be with me. I can imagine how a twist out would look the next day. I can really imagine how it looks. I'm sure. Actually, I did take one of the twists down the next day, and it was very, very well defined. And I'm sure the twist out would have looked excellent. But I was just so happy with my 2-strand twist that I didn't want to do a twist out. So I'm still finding twists to take down. So now I'm planning my hair. I'm trying to get a style going, ladies. As you can see, it's kind of defined in the back. I'm trying to pull off a style. I'm happy with the definition. I'm amazed at the product. If I had to compare it to the Miss Jessie, I think you can get the same definition, curl, define with this product versus spending $30-something on the Miss Jessie's product. And if I had to compare this product with the Shea Moisture Curling Smoothing, I can say honestly, I'm a fan of Shea Moisture. I think both of these products is excellent. Shea Moisture gives a nice shine. But for some reason, this product, to me, didn't weigh down my hair like the Shea Moisture sometimes does. But thumbs up for this product. And as I continue to try to style my hair, ladies, you rate and you comment and you subscribe. Have a good one.